Hello everyone, I am Katerina from the D.I.Y lab. This is my craft closet and I just need to reorganize it a bit. Here everything is organized, I'm fine with that, just needs a little bit tidying up. But I really need to organize this section here, because this is where lately I'm using a lot and it really needs to put everything into place. You don't need to buy anything fancy to keep your craft supplies organized. I made this craft cabinet by myself, and you can find the plans in the comments, in the description. And I'm gonna show you the results in another video. This is where I need to organize this one, and this area here. See you again.